Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 4 plus x square is equals to 20 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I can write this as x power 4 plus x square minus 20 is equals to 0 and this negative 20 as negative 16 plus 4 is equals to 0 and x square x power 4 plus x square minus 16 minus 4 is equals to 0. X power 4 minus 16 plus x square minus 4 is equals to 0. Now x power 4 minus 16 we can write it as 2 power 4 plus x square and similarly 4 as 2 power 2 is equals to 0. Now x power 4 as x square whole square minus 2 square whole square plus x square minus 2 square. Now I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So it becomes x square plus 2 square times x square minus 2 square, and here again I'm going to use this identity, so it becomes x plus 2 times x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x square plus 2 square, and this becomes x plus 2. In this case I apply this identity and x minus 2 plus the rest of terms x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now here and here this is common, so if I write this once, so what is left? This x square plus 2 square plus this common 1 is equals to 0. So here x plus 2 times x minus 2 and x square plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 0. So x plus 2 times x minus 2, and this is x square plus 5 is equals to 0. Now these are the three roots and all are equals to 0. So in this case, first x plus 2 is equals to 0. This gives the value of x as negative 2. And here x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x is positive 2. And here x square plus 5 is equals to 0. So x square is equals to negative 5 and x is equals to plus minus under root negative 5 and under root negative 1 is iota. So we can write x is equals to plus minus under root 5 times under root negative 1, and under root negative 1 is replaced with iota. So x1 is negative 2, x2 is positive 2, x3 is positive square root 5 iota, and x4 is negative under root 5 iota. These are the values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.